Hello and welcome to my handcrafted corner. Today we are going to make this flower granny square crochet pattern. This is how it looks on the back. And it's made with 3 color yarns. Let's get started. For this project we are going to use a 3.5 millimeters hook, and we will start by making a magic ring. Chain 1 and into the ring make 1 single crochet. Chain 1, and this combination of stitches will count as our first double crochet. Next we will make 1 more double crochet, so we have now 2 double crochets. Chain 2, 1, 2, and we will continue to do this repeat, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 3 more times. 1, 2, chain 2. This is our second repeat. 1, 2 double crochets, chain 2, our third repeat and our last one, 2 double crochets, and chain 2. So we have now a total of 8 double crochets separated by chain 2. We will now close the ring and we will join the work in this way. We will go into the first stitch from the back and pull this loop through this stitch, chain 1, and we can cut the yarn. Our first round is ready. With the new color, we will make a slip knot first, and we will start working on the second round from any of these spaces between the 2 double crochets. And we will work 1 single crochet, chain 1, and into the same space another single crochet. We will continue in this chain 2 space next, and here we will make 7 double crochets. So yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this will be our iteration for this round. A 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, and 7 double crochets. And we have to do this 1, 2, 3 more times. Let's do this one more time. So we will go into the next space between the 2 double crochets from below and make 1 single crochet, chain 1 and 1 single crochet. Next, we will go into this chain 2 space from below and make 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one, 7. So this is our second repeat. We have to do 2 more here and our second round will be ready. I am now at the end of this round. I have made 4 repeats in total, and I will now join the work in the same way. From the back of the first stitch, I will bring this loop, chain 1, and we can cut the yarn because we will bring this third color. With the new color, we will make a slip knot first, and we will start the third round into any of the 4th stitch from this 7 double crochets set. So into the middle of the petal. So this is the one, or here in any of these 4 petals. So this is a 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th, and we will make here 1 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th double crochet, and this is the 4th stitch. We will chain 2, and we will go into the 1 chain space between these 2 single crochets from the previous round, and we will make here 3 double crochets. One, 2, 3, chain 2, and into the same space we will make 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, this is our first corner of this square. Next, we will chain 2, 1, 2, and this will be our sequence for this round, because after this chain 2 we will repeat these steps. So we will go into the fourth stitch, 1, 2, 3, and 4 here, and we will make one single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, and we will go into the next chain 1 space between the 2 single crochets from the previous round and make 6 double crochets separated by chain 2. So this is the space, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and 3 more into the same space, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and here is our second corner of this square. So we will continue in the exact same way until we reach the end. So here we will have another single crochet into the middle of the petal. Here will be our third corner, and here the last one. I am almost at the end of this round. I have to chain 2 more, 1, 2, and I will go here into the first stitch and bring the yarn like this, chain 1, and I can cut the yarn now and join the next color. With the next color, we will make a slip knot. I chose the same as the one that we started our work with, but you can join another color if you want. And we will work our last round from any of these corner spaces, from these 2 chain spaces. You can start in any of these, and we will work the same sequence that we have used in the previous round for the corners. 6 double crochets separated by chain 2. So yarn over, go into this 2 chain space and make 3 double crochets first, 3, chain 2, and 3 more into the same space, 1, 2, and 3. Next we will chain 1 and we will go into the next space, the next chain 2 space, and we will work another set of 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 again, and into the next space we will work a second set of 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. Again we will chain 1, and from here we will repeat this sequence again. So we will make the corner in the same way. So 6 double crochets separated by chain 2, and for the second side, this is our first side of the square and first corner here, and for the second side we will do the same, and we will make 3 chains, 3 double crochets in each space separated by chain 1. Let's do this one more time. So here 3 double crochets first, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets into the same space. And our second corner is ready. We will chain 1 and go into the next chain 2 space and make a set of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3, chain 1, and again into the next space a second set of 3 double crochets. And this will be followed by the third corner here that will be worked in the same way. So 6 double crochets separated by chain 2, and along the sides we will work 3 double crochets in each space separated by chain 1. I have completed the last side of this square, and I will now close the work. And first we will cut the yarn and we will go into our first stitch here, bring the yarn through it in this way, and we will go into the last one from the back to the middle, and this way we have a nice and even edge of the square. Then we can wave in the ends next, or if you want you can continue to work in the same way. So if you want to make it bigger, you have to make in each corner the same iteration for the corners, which is 6 double crochets separated by chain 2, and across the sides in each of these spaces you have to make 3 double crochets, each of them separated by chain 1. So on each round the number of spaces will increase. As you can see here we had 2. If we were to continue this square, we would have on the sides 1, 2, and 3. So on the next one will be 4, and in each 4 spaces, in each of these spaces, you have to make a set of 3 double crochets, and each of these sets separated by chain 1. This is how it looks on the back. Happy crocheting!